near to Basilica of St. Epiphania, and here near you can find the Rocky Beach if you're tired after all day walking on excursion or around the city. You can refresh yourself here in Adriatic Sea, as doing a lot of people, and as well teenagers who are jumping to the very refreshing water and enjoy the time.
In general, I can say that, for example, in the cathedral, when we go out now, I paid attention that a lot of tourists, they don't take care, and they are putting their name in the chairs, like I don't know, like doing like a type of graffitis in the chairs, and this is not nice, you know. It's, we come back to the same. Depend where the thing that you see. Say a lot of things about New York. I don't want to say nothing about here, because here there is a lot of touring. But okay, there is good people and bad people everywhere. The thing that I want to say is, when you go to some place, please respect the place that you go. Okay, don't put garbage, don't do the stupid thing. Okay, I'm trying to keep all that in their normal state. We was trying, I think, that all the ice cream possible. I don't know if there is some flavors that we still didn't try, and
Which one is your favorite one?
everything, the lavanda ice cream, and I was trying here first time. I can say to you, if you have the opportunity to try this ice cream, try. I never see in another place, only here in Croatia, in Rovinj, and it's very delicious. It's amazing. And from here, from this part of the city, you can see this beautiful view in the sunset, and it's very nice as
Very
well.
romantic.
It's very romantic, yes. And I recommend to you, if you came here, try to come to this place. It's very calm.
It's a park. It's a new park. It's
Yeah.
a new project. It was created, I think, recently.
Yeah.
And here is very nice to smell the pine trees aroma, to see the beautiful view, to enjoy the sun. It's amazing place. And to ice cream, I would add as well very delicious honey with lavender taste. It's incredible. It's, I think, my favorite honey. You will be in love with Rovinj, definitely.
Yeah.